It's tight, isn't it?
Why they put those bollards in?
Yeah, but there was somebody there, I noticed last night. Here we go. Wow. Brits in front.
The one in front got his legs up.
He's probably got cramp. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow. Can't believe we came here in the split screen van. Amazing! It's done that again, it's recorded a little bit. It's the G-force around the corner. Brilliant.
So is it recording now?
I think so. Museum, yeah.
He's cyclist then?
So 1970 metres here. I'm sure it's over 2,000. Yeah, look, we're climbing up steep. Yeah, we can. 2031, we've climbed up over 2,000. Oh, look at this waterfall, mate. Porsche, Audi, get over.
They've got some money out here, haven't they?
Yeah, oh look at that.
Shoo. Oh, the cyclist in the middle of the road.
Don't feel sorry for him.
They must enjoy it.
Must do. Look at that view to the left, babe. Oh, yeah, okay, overtake, mate, just as I was about to pull over. Whew. Oh, it's going to be busy up here, isn't it?
Cyclists will come past.
Where have they gone? Oh, they're up there.
Yeah.
Wow. Shoosh. Yep.
This is a dead end of here.
Yeah, so I think this motorcycle is probably the top. Wow, what a view! Oh, yes.
Don't you go falling off that edge.
I'll try not to, babe.
Try not to. You won't. God.
I know. Park in there then.
So,
You okay to park in there?
is that where you park?
Yeah, there's the place up there, so we'll pull it over by them push bikes, yeah?
Yeah? No closer. No, it's alright. Park there.
We're going to have a look if you want.
Yes.
Hey, no, hang on, we're going to have a look, yeah, we're going to have a look, sorry. Right, just because. Well, here then, yeah?
Yeah, if we can, that's great. That's better. God. Right, obviously a bunch of things here as well.
I'll leave that in gear.
I would do. Handbrake on.
Well and truly.
Good, good.
Look at that.
I know. Excellent.
That's mad. Okay, babe.
Oh, you got something on.